not me agreeing with Nhloso, not me being on the same side as Nhloso. So Nhloso decided to go to the hospital and confront Mthunzi, and I'm like, yes, Nhloso, surprisingly I support you. Surprisingly, I'm on your side. Because guys, Mthunzi, whatever that he touches tends to be rotten. Okay? He found Umahlomo, a church goer, a good woman who goes to church, who attends church, who prays, just a good woman overall. And what did he do to her? He trained her to be a murderer, someone who has committed murder. Like Mthunzi, I know it was in self-defense, but honestly, guys, like if Mahlomo never associated herself, or if Mthunzi never associated himself with Umahlomo will still be this innocent angel who's next to God, ongakaze and especially who have never killed anyone. You know? And sana Umahlomo deserve a good laughing man. Mthunzi, not Mthunzi. What I'm not happy about what Scandal is doing to us. Like, Scandal, you don't respect us. This is disrespect, like I felt disrespected by you guys, because why would you say Mahlomo deserve Umthunzi of all people? Mahlomo deserves something better. Mahlomo deserve something better, not Mthunzi. Oh sana, hey, I felt disrespected by Scandal. You guys disrespect us so much. I felt disrespected. Honestly. Of his mom. He's super protective of his mom. So now knowing that Umthunzi busy in a shenanigans with his mom, how is that gonna make him feel? I'm like, Mthunzi, are you making a right choice with telling on Untuthuko, with telling on Untuthuko? I'm not sure about that one. Okay, I'm a bit scared on Umthunzi's behalf, because he's ready to spill. He's ready to spill everything. Okay, and I'm like, I'm scared for you, Mthunzi. Do not do that. Okay, do not spill. Some things, they do not need to be spilled, and trust me, you shaking someone's mom is one of those things. But anyway, I'm so happy for Mthunzi. I'm so done with Poet. Like, I'm so done with Poet. I can't even fake it at this point. I'm just like, Poet, it is what it is. Do you want to stay married or not? Okay? Because how do you double book yourself? He double booked himself, and he's like, okay, it is what it is. I'm going to make it up to Torik. So it seems like Ubui really wants to hold Upoet by his neck and make sure that he doesn't move. He goes nowhere. He hears only what Bully tells him to do, and he does and do exactly what Bully tells him to do. Okay, and I'm like, yeah, I'm at this point, I am scared for Uthoriso. I'm not gonna lie. Not for Uthoriso, I mean for Poet. Because I'm like, Poet, babe, Poet, make up your mind. Like, your mind needs to be made up clearly. Make up your mind. Do you want to stay married to Uthoriso or not? Not Mdala avenging himself. Like, Mdala, guys, like, I'm done with him. He decided that, you know what he's going to do, he's going to avenge himself. And he did exactly that. He avenged himself. On who? Who did he avenge himself on? On Utiro, okay, by cutting the bricks off the car. And I'm just like, I'm done. I'm so done. Now, back on Mahlomo's storyline, I'm here for it, okay? I am here for it. And I want to see the husband jealous. Like, what do you even mean? I'm here for Mahlomo's storyline. I'm here for it, and I'm here for it, and I am here for Mahlomo. Give me Mahlomo's storyline and shut off the TV. That's that. Okay, guys. I don't want to be part of it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to witness it, but it's coming. Like, it's coming. It's going to be chaotic towards Mahlomo's way. Oh, son, I feel for you, Mahlomo. I do. I really do feel for you. Oh, what have you done, though? What have you done? Oh. So nje vele nje uMahlomo animphethe kakuhle, you know. So ke guys iyamangaza ke vele indaba yokuthi uMother in Love lona ovele wabona ukuthi ku right ukuthi ecele umfazi kaNhloso ukuthi efundise uDinhle ukuthi la ekhaya kwenziwa kanjani. I'm just like, kodwa Mother in Love, now you were pushing for it, okay? You were pushing for it. So with that being said, ke ifamily kaNhloso ibone kungcono ukuthi ayilande uMseleku. Now guys, let me tell you all, I know ukuthi uMseleku has been an advocate for Isithembu for the longest time, but guys ake simhalaliseni leni uMseleku halalisela. Let's congratulate uMusa Mseleku where he deserves, you know, a sort of an apology and a congratulations Nkosiyami ibhasha lamanushula imamba eyadlumayeni kwangabandaba zalutho yadlumacela kwabandaba zalutho yadlumakhumalo kwabandaba zalutho yadla umangwabe kwabandaba zalutho kanti futhi singaphindi idlo omunye isimdlile kumakhwela. Now guys into engifuna ukisho lana ukuthi as much as uMusa has been an advocate for Isithembu, he has definitely made a name for himself, even though Isithembu is something that in a modern culture, modern women and modern men, they are kind of frowning upon Isithembu because they feel like Isithembu is like a backwards thing. It should not be a culture that is patrice anymore. Like it's backwards, it's this and it's that. You know, just people feel like they are too modern for Isithembu manje and abafuni ukuzi associate nesithembu in that sense, you know. So I'm like, okay, uMusa has stood up for Isithembu. He now gets featured in shows like A Scandal, and it means indaba yeScandal neSithembu is serious. Oh, you know, honestly, Nami, at some point I thought this was just a fly-by-night thing. Like it's never gonna be sustainable. It's never gonna last. This and that. But honestly, judging on what has happened with them featuring uMusa, you can tell ukuthi Nkosiyami iScandal bayithatha serious indaba yeSithembu. Lalela ke bengisamncoma nje uMusa because angeke ngihlale ngamncomi. He has achieved a lot with being an advocate of Isithembu. But nango uMusa phela useyafika lana ke kuScandal uzotshela uMadlomo ukuthi lalela eMadlomo yini inkinga yakho, you know. uMadlomo uyasho ukuthi hayi inkinga yami njena ukuthi uNhloso akaze ngitshele kwasekuqaleni ukuthi uzofuna Isithembu, and manje ngoba esefuna Isithembu nje mina vele nje sengibona kungcono ukuthi ngizidi a charge from yena nanani ngoba vele usethola umuntu ongcono, you know. uMusa useyabuza ke la kuseni nesikhathi esingakanani sishadile. Madlomo uyasho ukuthi hayi no, sesino 20 years wonke impela sishadile. And then uMusa ke lana uyasho ukuthi how usho ukuthi nje wena usufuna ukulahlekelwa u20 years nje. I'm like hayibo lo baba kanti unjani nje nama like awulahleka u20 years. Even should you get divorced after 20 years, it's not like ulahlekelwa u20 years. It's usushintsha lifestyle, you get akekho umuntu ophila lifestyle eyodwa kuze kube, you know, impilo just like a year has seasons, life has seasons as well. You were in a marriage season, okay, so that season has ended. Now you are entering in a new season of your life. Does not necessarily mean you wasted your 20 years or your 15 years or whatever years it is, you get. It just means that was the season of your life. Now life has changed for you, you know, and I don't understand why people look at it as it was a waste. You know, you did what you could at the time. Just give yourself some grace and look forward into life. You still have life to live and you still have years to live. Who knows how many more years you still have, you know. So uMusa ke lana ye uza nale approach ukuthi no akeke ukwazi ukulahlekelwa u20 years wonke sana guys. Yey ayikho into edrenana emhlabeni njengomshado. Sorry to say, but yey ayikho into edrenana emhlabeni njengomshado. And ke lana ke uMusa kuyabuza ukuthi no kodwa wena mama usamthanda yini indoda yakho? Ayike uMahlomo uthi no indoda yami mina ngisayithanda. uMusa usilalela ke done deal, sesiqedile ngesisanegotiator, sesifaka istamp lencwadi, igcwele incwadi, ifake ngisho isicivizo. There is nothing more we're gonna say since usuthe indoda yakho sayithanda. And for me, it felt wrong. It felt like uMusa now is cutting off uMahlomo, and uMahlomo is not supposed to say anything more other than the fact ukuthi usayithanda indoda yakhe, and that should be enough. Okay, you still love your man, okay, good, that's enough, that's all that I want to hear. By the way, I don't care about what else you want to say. And I was just like, hayibo nakazini, like uMusa, honestly is he serious right now? Like, is he serious right now just by cutting off uLontusana uMahlomo? So anyway, guys, ngizokutshela nje for free for my hala akwaziwa ukuthi iyozala nkomoni. But one thing that we know for sure ukuthi uDinhle benonhloso bayashada, umshado awuhlehli. Lalela ukuthi uMahlomo uyahlala noma akahlali, noma uMusa uzokwazi ukumpersuade ukuthi ehlale nomani asazi okwamanje. Kodwa into esiyaziyo ukuthi uDinhle twang nkesana twang uDinhle uzoba second wife. Nkosi yami sana, do I cry noMahlomo? Ngikhala kanye naye nkosami uMahlomo kwaze kwabhlungu. Kodwa ke sizothini ma uNhloso wants the heart wants what it wants, and uNhloso uzifunela isithembu at this point in time. Sana. Up next, we have Uthalita Sana. Uthalita, she has been blackmailed by Umthunzi for the longest, and Nkosi yami, like Uthalita omunye ngisho wabanye engizwelana naye, like genuinely, because she was blackmailed, she was blackmailed by Umthunzi. And at some point, she felt cornered, and she agreed to go to Umthunzi should eliminate uBridget. Guys, then I had abantu ku social media bencoma uBridget bethi yay ama-investigation skills akhe awu top level, but ke mina ngifila nje sengathi uphethe uqina nje ugela, uphethe uqina uthanda indaba zabantu, like no investigateelani indaba zabantu mama, unazo nezakho, like honestly speaking. So manje guys, umshado kaThalita is breathing through the wound, since uThalita's husband is gonna find out ukuthi Thero, it's not his biological son. We were all shook kesana when uThalita reveals this information to the husband, okay? Meanwhile, here we have uNhloso's daughter. I don't know what is her name. She is such a sweet girl, this one. She is a daddy's girl. That's one thing for sure. She need assurance ukuthi ngempela daddy umndeni wakho angeke yini uzushiye, angeke yini daddy uze usasichomela nje daddy, mina ngisakudinga empilweni yami, ngiya-understand ukuthi ubhuti uthi like uNhloso's daughter, she is the sweetest human being on this planet. That's one thing that I can emphasize and tell you on, that like she is legit the sweetest. Okay, when we're talking about people being sweet, we are most definitely talking about Nhloso's daughter. Like, she is the sweetest human being to ever exist in the world of the world, because she needs the assurance. Even when she met Musa Mseleko, so let me tell you guys, Musa Mseleko came to meet the kids. Like, it's serious into kaMusa, yokuzochaza isithembu iserious ngendlela exakile, ngiyakuxolela, because uMusa even decided ukuthi no, it's not enough ukuthi meet up here. No, Mahlomo. Manje, it's time to meet up with the kids. The daughter, like I said, she is the most sweetest human being, honestly, and she's more understanding and she's more welcoming, and she's like, listen, I am willing to go and attend the wedding because really I just want peace within the family. So therefore, I've decided that I will be there and I will attend the wedding. The son, however, does not understand his father's decisions. I feel like his father is betraying his mom. Anyway, guys, it is said that boys are the biggest lover of their mothers, okay? And most likely daughters are the biggest lover of their fathers. So hence, you know, uThembelihle, yes, hence uThembelihle is gravitating more towards ubabake because she is definitely a daddy's girl, and boy gravitating more towards mama's side because he's definitely a mama's boy. Absolutely nothing wrong with being a mama's boy. So him having a conversation with Umusa, just like, listen, ubaba vela akasithandi ke nje, ubaba lalela, if there is one thing ubaba akasisenzele yona clear in his lifetime is to prove to us every now and again ukuthi inkosi yami asibalekile nje empilweni yakhe futhi akasidingi nani, and Umusa uyasho ukuthi yazi yani enganansi ingane, like he just stormed off and left the room. And Umusa was like a bit shocked, but kodwa ke Umusa guys angimazi ngempela, his problem solving skill very questionable, yasana, very questionable, because when you are solving conflicts within the families, like those things must be handled with super diligence, you know, because isn't it it's angazi na ukuthi ngizothi yini into ebucayi ngesilungu, but into ebucayi guys in. But Umusa uthi nje hayi umfana uzoba right ngendlela, isithembu siyangena asihlehle emuva, abangekho right abamuncu, perhaps they still need time to adjust, and that's fine, you know, they're gonna adjust as time goes on. Kodwa kwamanje umcimbi awuhlehli basobha makoti we la nwa. I'm like, sana like you gotta question Mosemselego's problem solving skill, and I know Wutsi perhaps here they are acting, but even on his reality shows, this is just how he solves conflicts within the families, and I'm just like, kwaze kwa questionable how you solve problems. Anyway, enough about Nhloso's family. Let's go straight to Talita's drama. I mean, Talita, in a way, guys, I'm sad with Bridget is definitely gonna snitch on her, and Bridget has actually gave Talita an ultimatum. It's either you do this or you do that, and you know, he said take it or leave it, kind of dull. Like, I'm sad for Talita in a way. Like, I'm not even gonna lie and say I'm not. I am very much sad, because at the end of the day, Kimina Talita proved, even though at first she kind of did arranges to have Bridget rather eliminated, but the fact that she changed her mind should count for something, honestly speaking, in my books at least. It should definitely count for something, for the fact that she just quickly changed her mind and went against it and be like, no, I am a woman of God or whatever, but I cannot continue with wanting to eliminate Bridget. And for me, I mean, that just shows a lot, and that just proves a lot, like a lot. It proves a lot for me, and it shows a lot, honestly speaking. However, Bridget agasibai. Bridget's like, lalela ngikunikeza nje one night by kusasa, which is today, Monday. Bridget will be coming clean to her husband that actually the son that you think is your son, which is Tiro, is not your son. This is somebody's son. And Khopolo is just gonna be heartbroken, as you can imagine. You know, if anyone can keep such a huge big secrets from you, anyone would be heartbroken, anyone would be broken in a way that is unimaginable, honestly speaking. Khopolo will even question, did somebody and his wife ever shared a bed together? Of course, Talita will deny the allegations and say, no, I was actually given the child. You know, it's not that way. It's not what you think. I've been nothing but loyal to you. Guys, where does this leaves Talita? But listen, this is the scandal that I signed up for, okay? The drama dropping right, left, and center. And, you know, this also just makes me wonder, how will Utiro, you know, take the news, you know, because the news will definitely reach Utiro, but how will Utiro handle all this difficult news, you know, yena akayena umntwana ka Sabudi. Oh, Sana, I just wonder how will he actually handle all this horrible news all at once. But he better come up with a strategy of being able to handle the news.